Hello folks, this is Phil with Jim's Motors in Cuba, Missouri. What we're looking at here today is a brand new Bison Trail Boss. It's a 2020 model. 7-foot short wall all aluminum trailer. 2 horse. This is a riveted trailer. The outside skin is not glued to the uprights, it is riveted. Got drops on the head side. Escape door. Rear collapsible tack. Got bridle hooks and a brush box there on the door. Stud divider. Roof vents. Inside and outside load lights. Got a bus window in the load door. Big power awning. Nice big bunk area in it. Storage in the nose. Place for a TV. Set up for Bluetooth, DVD, CD. It's got an aux cord jack in it. Jackknife sofa. Makes a bed. Microwave and sink, cooktop, and a small fridge below the cooktop. Stool with a separate shower. 2 big hanging closets in here. Nice big square shower. We do take trades. We offer financing and delivery. You got any more questions about this trailer? Give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a good day.